Quickness is one thing, and being stout. Being quick, it just helps delimb the tree so much better. Because the speed coming through the delimb is what helps delimb your tree. Stout, what we do with it just works all the way around. Oh yeah, it's probably a third or less cheaper on fuel than the other loaders that we've had.